Hello guys. How are you guys doing? Uh, I was doing some work on the first sub challenge from here. I guess if you are facing the same challenge, we can have a solution now. I go in the settings. Let's first put back this setting that was limiting the output. Scroll all the way down. It's around here. Yeah, it is now disabled. Let's save the changes. So when you have that problem and you want to run something from the terminal, it will not run. Yeah, so we can see an example. It's not when you try it, it tells you cannot edit in read-only editor. So the solution is you go in your preferences, settings, and you look for the challenge. Just say run, then you look for run in terminal. It's this one here, and you'll save the changes. Once you save the changes, you close this. Yeah, now if you run this, it's already running. Let's stop it and run it again. If you run this, it should definitely work. So hello, it's Chris here. What's your name? I'll say Walker. And how old are you? 20 years. Where do you live? And hello, Walker. You're 20 years old and you live in Uganda. Oh, thank you. If it has worked for you, please endeavor to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.